Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to decorate for the week of September 9th through 15th. And I'm just checking. Yeah, there's a little bit of ink staining still on my fingers from the spill I had yesterday, so please don't mind that. This week I will be using stickers from According to Allie. I'm going to be using her road trip stickers. I guess I'm going on a road trip of sorts. I'm going to Niagara Falls with my parents and brother and sister, and we'll be gone for the 4 days. So there's a little bit of a road trip there because we'll be driving around to different vineyards and stuff. And I thought this was a great way to commemorate that, even though we're not necessarily driving through the US. But anyway, and I'll also be using some of her teal alcohol ink stickers as well. Let's get started. Okay, so first thing I want to do is cut these, and I got a little red ink on the alcohol ink. I've had a lot of, I guess, ink accidents in the last couple of days. Like my desk was covered in ink. I'll put in a picture here so you can see. And then in the process of cleaning it up, my hands were covered in ink. And of course it was a green ink and that left my hands blue. Go figure. But anyway, I looked like Elphaba from Wicked for a while. And people were so funny saying, you should just keep that for Halloween. I'm like, I do not want to keep my hands that color until Halloween. But I can't believe we're already, well, no, it's not that hard to believe that we're already mentioning Halloween. I mean, I heard that there's already Christmas stuff in certain shops, so I shouldn't be that surprised. But it's so funny to say Christmas anything, because just over the past weekend, it was 30 degrees Celsius here. So, oh my gosh, I love this cute little camper van. Do I want to put that here? Oh, yes, I do. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. Then, let's see. I'm not necessarily staying at a roadside motel, but I think that would be, cute to put here. Because by this point I will be, well, actually, where do I want to put this? Maybe here. It's a strange one. I think I'm going to risk covering certain things on this side here. There we go. Okay. And then I can add this cute little gas thing here, actually right in the middle where the hours go, so that I have room on either side to add whatever. Then yes, I'm covering the dates again, but that is okay. Then, oh, there, we'll put the map down here. This is just a fun spread because I'm really excited to be going on a trip with my parents and siblings without husbands, fiance, children. The 5 of us have not traveled together since, well, in 20 years really. So yeah, it's been, I guess, a long time coming, but also I just think it's an adventure traveling with your parents when they're adults, right? So I'm gonna add that here, and then one last one, because it's so satisfying finishing sticker sheets. I'm gonna include that just here. There we go. Okay, then, oh, again, so satisfying. What I'm going to do is add in my sleep score and my, what's it called, workouts. So I'm using my Le Bon 325 in Cambridge, and this currently has Diamine, Enchanted Ocean, and that is a wet combination. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. I have to say my sleep has actually been better the last couple of weeks since my husband got a new CPAP machine. So the CPAP machine is everyone's friend because I can sleep through the night and he gets a much better sleep as well because I am not punching him every couple of hours because his snoring has woken me up. I feel like I'm being really harsh by saying punching, but I mean nudging. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. My workouts recently, since coming back from the San Francisco Pen Show, my workouts have just been my stepper, which is not at all negating what I do, but I normally will do 2 upper body workouts a week and 2 lower body workouts a week, and I've just been so tired since coming back from the San Francisco Pen Show that these past couple of weeks I'm just like, don't force myself, let's just do what I can. All right, so I'm gonna put my work here, even though the arrow is behind here, going all the way down to 5:30. And then to do will be to meal plan, order groceries. I need to film this. And then I also need to film a new pen day. Okay, then Tuesday, this is my Atelier Lusseau, and this has Colorverse brunch date in here. And it is a short work week for me. So I'll put out garbage. And let's grab my cutie patootie icons. Actually, not those ones. There's so many icons. But I love using icons. Ooh, I think my husband's home from work. There we go. Little garbage can icons. I'm filming this in between finishing work and making dinner. And there we go. And then other things I do need to do this evening are, sorry for the crookedness there. Okay, so garbage, and then other things I need to do on Tuesday. I need to edit the 30 inks, days 1 through 10. I need to film and prep basically 30 inks, days 11 through 17. I need to scan all of my collections that I've painted. I have to fold laundry. Well, I have to actually do laundry, and then I have to pack. So there's a lot that needs to be done that evening. Then Wednesday, so my dad's the one who's booked the ticket, so he'll be the one checking us in. And then I'm gonna leave that empty for now. But yeah, normally when I have a week where I am traveling, I leave the week pretty much open just because I'm not sure what we have booked or planned yet, except for the fact that we are at the airport super early because our flight is early. And then the way that I use this portion or the pages that we're traveling is that I basically bullet point what we've done throughout the day so that it makes it easier for me to go back and journal for the day as well. But I'm also going to put down here my habits, and it's going to be audiobook, and then meditate. And then, oh, where's my other pen? And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I still have to say it to myself, even though I know the days of the week. Read 10 to 15 pages. Okay. Very quick plan with me because most of this is empty. Now, my husband is the one who's going to be in charge of taking the kids to ninja and badminton, but I'm not going to put that down in this schedule in my planner because I'm not the one taking them. Okay. All right. I guess that's it. Simple, easy, and quick because I have a lot to do tonight and I'm glad this one was a quick one to film. Okay, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Gosh, I love how this bottom part looks. It looks a little bit crowded, but it's fun. All right, thanks so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.